How to share a TikTok video, a quick guide. TikTok has surged in popularity, boasting over 1 billion users and becoming a prime source for entertaining content. If you've come across a TikTok video you want to share with friends or save for later, we have you covered with easy methods to share TikTok videos effortlessly. Sharing a TikTok video as a link. One of the most straightforward ways to share TikTok videos is by using a URL link. To do this, first, open the TikTok app on your device and find the video you want to share. If you want to share one of your own videos, tap on the three dots to open the share options. For other users' videos, simply tap on the share icon. Then select Copy Link to get the shareable link. After copying it, you can paste the link in any social media app, messaging app, email, or website. For users on TikTok's website, just look for the share icon, click on Copy Link, and you can then share it however you like. Sharing on other social media apps. Aside from sharing links, TikTok makes it easy to share videos directly to other social media platforms. Here's how you can do that. Open the TikTok app and locate the video you wish to share. If it's one of your videos, tap on the three dots to open the share options. For someone else's video, click on the arrow icon for sharing options. You will see options to share on various social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Once you've decided on the platform, choose whether you want to share it as a direct message or a post from your feed. Both methods will allow you to share the video's link. For those using TikTok's website, simply find the share icon and select the social media site you want to post to. Your choices include sharing it within your feed or as a DM. Conclusion. Sharing TikTok videos not only enhances the reach of those amazing clips, but also brings joy to others who may appreciate them as much as you did. With our guide, you can easily and efficiently share TikTok videos with friends and family, helping those fun and creative moments go viral. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.